Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I do think this is very likely the end of a wave 5. Now, we do technically have two options here. If this really is the end of a wave 5, then it will likely make a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, and then take out the low of wave 4. If it really is actually a correction to this last 5 waves up, which it definitely could be, then it would likely make it A, B, C, and then bounce back up. You'll notice that either scenario leads to impulsive down, corrective up, and then impulsive down. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still very confident this is a wave A. I still think that we do need to go up, very likely for a wave B or a wave 1 and a wave 2. I always say it, but the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B or a wave 2, and the trading strategy is exactly the same for the wave A or the wave 1. Which, for a wave B or wave 2, the strategy is looking for longs on shorter time frames. Excuse me. So, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I actually think the wave A or 1 ends right here. I think this is actually like a flat or something like that, like an expanding flat or a running flat. I think this is 3 waves up for A. I think this is 3 waves down for B. Lower low wave B is why I think that it is an expanding or a running flat. And I think it's likely to go up and make a wave C, which should be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Notice the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, notice this shape that we made. This is the structure level I've been waiting to see if it was going to break. Technically, it did break, but look what happened. 1, 2, 3 waves down and impulsive up, continuation to the uptrend. 1, 2, 3 waves down, continuation of the uptrend. Even this right here is 1, 2, 3 with that spike right there, and then continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement out here just to keep an eye on it, look for areas of resistance. But I personally think that this is an ABC correction. I think that if this is an ABC correction, it will take out the previous highs, especially because of what we see on the higher time frames. As usual, if you were following along with my videos and you were looking for longs, you would have made a very, very nice long opportunity. The only problem with this trade for me is that it happened during the Asian session when I was sleeping, but definitely a very, very, very nice trend trade for the continuation of what I think is either a wave C of B or a wave C of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.